Welcome back to Political Empire. This is Jeff Horseman with the Press Enterprise MP.com, here to talk once again about Moreno Valley. Moreno Valley Councilman Marcelo is taking two former city workers to court alleging they violated his civil rights. And here to talk about Mr. Coe's lawsuit is reporter Suzanne Hertz. So, Suzanne, who exactly is Mr. Coe suing and why?
Well, Councilman Coe filed a lawsuit last week against former city building official Ann Schneider and former Deputy City Attorney Paul Early. He is alleging that the two of them violated his civil rights with politically motivated illegal searches of his property while they were looking for code violations, and that they also trespassed on his property.
All right, and so what have these former employees had to say about his lawsuit?
Well, of course, they deny the allegations. They say that they were just doing their job and that they were doing their job at the direction of city and county officials. Their response basically is that they think that the city is going to have to pay for their legal defense as well as monetary damages, if any arise from the lawsuit. They're also preparing a lawsuit that they expect to file within a couple of weeks they are going to be alleging that the city laid them off in retaliation for doing their jobs.
All right, now we've talked a lot on this show about the effort to recall the council. Can you give us just a brief update what's going on with that?
Sure. Well, there actually were originally two recall efforts against the Moreno Valley City Council. One was filed against, or one was actually mounted against City Council member Richard Stewart, and that one has died because the paperwork was not filed by its deadline. There's a second effort. A group called Concerned Citizens of Moreno Valley has mounted a recall effort against all 5 City Council members. So that recall effort is actually in the review process. Their paperwork is being reviewed by the city clerk, who has rejected some of it, which is going to force them to refile some of their paperwork. And they have to get that paperwork approved in order to file, or in order to start collecting petition signatures. And also this week there is a conflict over some anti-recall signs that went up. The signs went up in Mayor Tom Owings' district over the weekend. The signs are basically urging people not to sign the recall effort. Some residents, including the sponsors of the recall, have complained that those signs violate a city code. However, there's actually a public law forum expert and Mayor Tom Owings' attorney both say that the city code is unconstitutional and that it violates free speech rights.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Suzanne. We appreciate it. And thank you, as always, for watching Political Empire. We'll see you next time.